Well, I'm driving through Coto to Caza here. We're on Coto to Caza Drive. Really a beautiful drive. It's tree lined, very nice. But that's not the reason for my video call today. The reason is to warn all of you realtors out there of a scam going on that I was almost a victim to this morning. So this guy, oh look, there's two horses on the horse path. That's cool. Don't see that very often. So this guy contacted me and said, hey, I want to list my property. It's a lot that I happen to know about in Nellygale Ranch in Laguna Hills. So I look it up and I tell him, oh yeah, this property is worth a lot. So the most recent sale is $1.2 million for a comparable property. So I tell him, he's like, great, let's list it for $800,000. I'm like, what? Okay. He says he needs to sell it fast because his wife just passed away. I'm like, all right, well, so red flag. Second red flag was he said his name was a Hispanic last name, and I looked it up. And he didn't sound like he was Hispanic, but he gave me the right name that was on title, and the wife's name was also correct to match the address. Told me where he lives, that matched. But I was a little suspicious because he didn't have a Hispanic sounding voice. So I asked him, can you send me your ID, just a copy of your ID before we list this property? Just make sure it all matches. He says, oh no, that's only the notary is supposed to see my ID. And I told him, no, I need to see your ID, make sure it matches what's on title. And he goes, no, I'm not gonna send it. I'm like, okay, well, obviously I can't list your property then. So I do a little bit more digging, and I find out that the owner of this property has passed away 4 years ago. So obviously it wasn't him. He didn't send his ID, but turns out that this is a scam that's been perpetrated before in the area. And what they do is they get an unsuspecting realtor who doesn't check to list the property, and they ask for a quick sale, and they want the funds in cash because it's land. Hard to get a loan on a land purchase or mortgage. And so they want a cash sale, they want it quickly, and they want it wired to their account when they're not really the owner of the property. And they use the agent as their cover that this is a legitimate sale. So fortunately I'm not falling for it, but I know a lot of agents out there will. But this is your warning, all you agents out there. Don't fall for this scam. Thanks very much. Grant Lowell signing out. You might want to subscribe to my channel also for other tips like this. We've got a lot of interesting videos, mostly evergreen videos on my channel that help people learn about South Orange County. So evergreen, if you don't know what that means, they don't ever get old. The information is always good until they have major changes, but that doesn't happen very quickly. So thanks a lot for watching this video, and we'll catch you on the next one.